So you glanced at your iPhone, and instead of your carrier's name up top, you're staring at that dreaded no SIM card message. And suddenly, calls, texts, and mobile data are just gone. Before you panic, take a breath, because most of the time, this is a quick fix you can do yourself in a few minutes. And I'm gonna walk you through the methods that actually work, starting with the easiest. So stick around, because one of these almost always does the trick. The first thing to try, and this solves it more often than people expect, is a force restart. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. And then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This clears temporary memory and forces your phone to properly rescan for the SIM. And a huge chunk of these errors are just a small software hiccup that this alone fixes. If that doesn't do it, physically check the SIM card. Grab the ejector tool from your iPhone box or a small paperclip and pop open the tray. Take the card out, look for scratches, dust, or moisture on the gold chip. Give it a gentle wipe if it looks dirty, and slide the tray back in firmly until it clicks completely. Sometimes the tray just isn't seated all the way, and that alone causes the phone to lose the connection. Next, toggle airplane mode. Swipe down from the top right to open Control Center. Tap the airplane icon on. Wait about 10 to 15 seconds, then tap it off again. This forces your iPhone to fully disconnect from the cellular network and reconnect fresh, which often clears up the glitch that's stopping it from seeing the SIM. From here, make sure your software is up to date, since Apple pushes out fixes for exactly this kind of bug fairly often. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update, and install anything waiting. While you're there, also check for a carrier settings update by going to Settings, then General, then About, and waiting a few seconds. If a pop-up appears asking you to update, tap Yes, since this refreshes how your phone talks to your carrier's network. If you're still stuck, reset your network settings. And don't worry, this doesn't delete your photos, messages, or apps. It only resets things like Wi-Fi passwords and cellular settings back to default. Go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, choose Reset Network Settings, and enter your passcode to confirm. Your phone will restart and you'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi afterward. But this step clears out a lot of corrupted network data that basic troubleshooting can't touch. If nothing so far has worked, try the SIM swap test, because it tells you almost immediately whether the problem is your SIM card or your phone itself. Power off your iPhone, remove your current SIM, and pop in one you know works, maybe borrowed from a friend for 30 seconds. Power the phone back on, and if that borrowed SIM gets recognized fine, your original card is likely damaged and your carrier can issue a free replacement. But if the error shows up no matter which SIM you use, the issue is more likely the phone itself, especially if it's ever been dropped or gotten wet, since moisture around the SIM tray can quietly corrode the contacts over time. And if you've genuinely gone through everything, restarted, reseated the card, updated your software, reset network settings, and tested another SIM, and you're still seeing the same error, it's time to reach out to Apple support directly, or stop by an Apple store, because it likely points to a hardware issue with the SIM reader that needs an actual technician to look at. If this video helped you get your SIM working again, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want more straightforward iPhone fixes like this one, go ahead and subscribe, because there's more coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.